There is immense corruption today. Immunoglobulin scam, it's all about the eye drop scam. All this is because of the corruption. Like everything else in our country, the healthcare system also has fallen to the lowest of the low due to various other concerns, due to various other benefits they received, and give it to a patient is shameful, sinful, and putrid.
You have almost 38 years of expertise as a doctor, right? Now, talking about the current healthcare sector and its issues, do you see any specific root causes that cause those pressing issues in the medical healthcare sector? And you think there's anything you could do to make it better?
Actually, it's in shambles. Like everything else in our country, like the economy, like the education, like when it comes to transport, healthcare system also has fallen to the lowest of the low. So it's a shame, But whatever it is, when it comes to things like economy, education, public administration, transport, it does affect the health of the person. It affects the longevity, or it does affect the head. But when it comes to health per se, it affects the life, the health, and the longevity of the person. So there is immense corruption today, which as you would have heard about the immunoglobulin scam, it's all about the eye drop scam. All this is because of the corruption. When it comes to purchasers of these drugs, which there was a lot of corruption there. When it comes to purchasers, there are the checks and balances built into it already. But what happened is, when corruption starts from the very top, these checks and balances become totally redundant. It's not effective and it's totally useless. So this is what happened. People who were supposed to get this IgG immunoglobulins, they are given, as you know, they are given to patients who are immunocompromised, who are already tested by nature to get down an inferior product or totally ineffective product due to various other concerns, due to various other benefits they received, and give it to a patient is shameful, sinful, and putrid. And also when it comes to eye drops, these eye drops that were involved in the scam were eye drops that are instilled into those patients who undergo cataract surgeries. Today, cataract surgery is such a simple procedure. I remember when I had my cataract surgery, my appointment was at 7 o'clock. I was working till 4 p.m. I went to the hospital straight from there and I had my surgery. I was at home by about 10 o'clock. It's like a walk-in thing today. It's just a walk-in. You just go, put a lens and come home. Okay? So it's basically that. But to have such a safe surgery, successful surgery, and finally come home, instill this inferior quality infected eye drops and to go blind is again shameless, unforgivable. It amounts to almost murder. It's a criminal offense. So that is why today we see there's a minister in jail, and to go to face it. I mean, you go abroad, you just say, everybody knows this is, you're a doctor, is it your minister that is in jail today? It's a very shameful thing, So this is what happened. So these things need to be put right. So only way we could do this is we have to change the heads there. Heads where once change starts there, the other things, they change, and good ethics, good behavior, discipline will percolate down to the lower ranks.